Okay, in this one we're going to count what we don't want.
Yeah.
Okay, so from 1 to 99, we already saw we had 9 numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to wonder how many do we have from 100 to 199. Do you remember how many we had?
We had 19.
19, and I'm going to show you how we can see that. We're going to count the ones that have no zeros instead of the ones that have zeros. How many integers total are there from 100 to 199, including 100 and 199?
Well, there's 100.
There's 100 numbers. And if I'm looking at these, well, they all start with a 1. And then how many choices do I, if I want to have no zeros in the number, how many choices do I have for the second digit?
9.
9.
And then 9.
And then 9. So I have 81 numbers that have no zeros. So how many numbers must have a zero then?
19.
19, because 81 plus 19 is 100. So I count what I don't want to see I have 19 numbers. Counting what you don't want is sometimes a really helpful thing to do. So that means from 200 to 299, I also have 19.
Yeah.
Because what's the argument for why I have 19?
Well, it's the same argument that you have up there.
Because you have 81 and that you don't have a 0.
Okay. From 300 to 399,
You have 19.
I have 19.
Because of the same argument.
I have 19 because of the same argument. And then we just have to figure out when do I get to 100 here.
Which we did in the first solution.
Which we did in the first solution. So we will see that by the time I get to 599 from 300,
Yep.
so 400, 500 to 599, I will have added 5 19s.
Yeah.
So that's 95 plus
And plus
9 from the beginning is 104.
So
When I get to 599, I have counted 104 numbers that have a 0 in it. What was the last number I counted that had a 0 in it when I got to 599?
well, you counted 590.
So 590 must have been the 104th.
And then you count back.
Okay, 580 was 103.
And then
570 was 102. 560 was 101.
And then 550
550.
was 100.
Okay. Yeah, and it's interesting. There's one little trick on this, is that at 599 I'm at 104. So you have to be careful that you don't say, well, 590 must have been 103.
Yeah.
Because 590 was 104, because there was never any new number between 590 and 599 that had a 0. So that's another way of doing it. But you guys did a great job on this. Your way, building up this way with the 19s, you did on your own, was nice. Your way of finding an easier pattern, I love. That was really cool. I never would have thought to solve it that way.
Cool.
And then this was this is a count what you don't want, which is very similar to what you did.
Yeah.
But just wanted to show you that way too. Anyway, very fun problem. Good job, guys. Good job.